Hey everyone, Mike here with the watch list video for Monday, January 6th. SPY starting to curl back up again, and it looks like the NASDAQ was up 340, the Dow was up about 340. Let me slide this over for new members, get this out of the way. Just to explain, this is simply a list of in-play stocks that make great candidates for intraday trades in the upcoming sessions we focus on and teach proven intraday setups so we can pull money from the market each session without having to hold overnight. That's what this is about. A lot of people will see my videos and say, I don't like the setup in that. These are just in-play stocks that will probably give, some of them will probably give us a great A+ setup during the following session. Hope that makes sense. CRNC from Friday has a couple of good examples. Had a huge rip. How do we call it in chat? The first call was me over this red candle here, over the mic. I said this is giving an inside 5 setup. This was the opening 5-minute candle. Then the second candle was an inside 5s. The implication there is over this candle's high, 1167 right there. And it went all the way to 1989. If you missed that in chat, Sahil pointed out right here the 5s buy zone pullback setup, which was right to VWAP, right in the 5s buy zone. I'll show you there. I actually took that. My fill was 1288, which was basically almost the bottom. The bottom of this candle was 1282. So I caught this pullback using our pullback method. 5s buy zone pullback method, it was only 6 cents underwater for a second, right? RR gave a few setups in chat. One of them that I took was at $3.35 right here. The low was 333. Again, using one of our methods. I can show you, I got 2 fills on it actually at 335. Just another example of a pullback play, right? We were looking 15s buy zone near VWAP at that time. And also had a really nice move. Just a couple examples of kind of the intraday setups that we look for. All right, done babbling. Let's talk about what we're watching for Monday with hopefully some good intraday setups, right? All right, so there you go. RZLV is in play. You can notice the extra volume lately and a nice pop, and it's kind of coiling there. So kind of a sleeper pick compared to some of these others, but we are going to watch it. POET. Nice pop, pulled back, and it's starting to curl back up. FFIE, also kind of a sleeper pick, but I mean, certainly great volume lately. Then you had an inside candle and another inside. I'd like to see it break above Friday's high, which was 347. So maybe over 350, we start knocking down these catalysts. I think that one's worth having on the list. OKLO, that has been a chart that we've been watching for a long time. Had this nice pop and a long, I don't know what, 2-3 month coil flag, and now it's starting to break to the upside. One of the top watches this coming week. LTBR tends to move with that one. It had a nice pop on Friday. We're going to watch that one. JOBY, one of those EVTOL plays breaking out. That one and ACHR run together. So those are 2 good candidates for trades this week. QS had a nice run back here, 3-day pullback, and is getting up near recent highs. Not in love with it, but I want to watch it. CRNC, I already talked about this one that we called in chat a couple different ways on Friday. Huge breakout, certainly extended, but we want to keep our eyes on it. Rivian, nice breakout on Friday. Come on. There we go. There's the load. Really strong move, and they came out with their numbers, production numbers, I believe. So RR, anything robotics. For some reason, robotics was a theme on Friday, so this one was huge. Here's another one, KITT, also has robotics in the name. ARBE, I'm giving you 4 of them here, and Serve. All 4 of those are robotics and deserve to be on watch. For some reason, that's become a theme. And then lastly, GFAI, I'm not sure why this thing's moving, but big volume and kind of close to a breakout spot on the daily. All right, that's enough for me. I'll see everybody in chat on Monday morning. Have a great rest of your weekend.